out. Switzer Falls, Ken Burns Loop. Currently 5:10 in the morning. Gotta go head to Mike, pick him up. You know I gotta get me a McGriddle. That's like a necessary before anything. Let's get it. Switzer Falls, the Ken Burton Loop. We just pulled up.
Are you guys doing that hike?
Yeah.
Can you park here or can't you go down there?
I don't know.
Okay.
I got the little adventure pass, so I'm just hoping wherever I park is fine.
Yeah. Oh, I thought there was like a go down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna just stay right here where I'm at. Unless it's better. Oh shit. Gabrielino. There it is. Cool.
Oh, man,
So
that would have been brutal going back up. Dang.
we had the wrong one.
Like that, after 16 miles, that would have been brutal.
Yeah, much more scenic down here too.
Oh man, fucking head. I'm like all that stupid ass hanging.
Drank last night.
God damn it.
So this is the right place to park.
This feels good. This feels good.
Quick little stretching. Got the hiking crews out this morning. Cool, crisp. 6:30 or 7? What time is it? Like 7? Let's go.
Right.
Let's do it. Yes, sir.
So this is the Gabrielino Trail.
Yep. Yeah.
I still haven't been able. I don't know if I can identify the ID.
I don't know how to. I just, if it looks like it has a little bit of red, I just definitely stay away.
Like that shit looks like it. That shit's kind of how it is.
What is it, like 3 leaves or? Yeah, we definitely gonna have to get our act together with that because I was rubbing up against plants that probably could have had me itching the whole hike, messed up the whole trip. This is a hella dope hike, man. Already. Like variety already is crazy.
It's kind of a walk till we start the actual loop.
I know. That's just the warm up just to get to the waterfall. We're just half a mile in. 0.57. Can't see shit. It's kind of nice though, a little bit. It kind of blocks it out. You just focus on the trailing. Yeah, exactly. Woo. Okay, we in the clouds. Bro said, I know a hike. We already at 1.5 miles. We got 13 and a half more to go. And it's barely 7:20 in the morning. My prediction is that we get done with this whole loop by 5. Setting the 5 o'clock mark. Easy money. It's all good. Let's get it. Yeah, you got to be on your P's and Q's when you hike with Mike, man. He just take off jogging out of nowhere. Next thing you know, you don't see nobody in front of you. So we've done this several times throughout the hike, but this is just one of them that I was able to record because I had the glasses on. Mike is a beast, man. This is thick. 2 C's. This damn tree got the best of me here. Ripped my shirt. It's kind of hard being tall on the trail. Cause I got a duck under everything.
It's grass, man.
No, but I wasn't brushing on it like crazy. I felt like.
Yeah, man. My shoes just got soaked. I feel it in my socks. And my pants are wet too. Oh, look at that little waterfall right there. Where's that water coming from? Straight ahead.
Oh. Oh, we're about to hit some gnarly switchbacks over here.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna climb up to Wells. Yeah, we're about to climb. We're gonna go down and then fucking climb.
Let's go.
Soon enough, we get to try out this life straw for the first time. You know, we made our little ads and
Easy
slogans
peasy.
for them.
I have to squat down.
Oh yeah, you can lean on, like, put your chest on the tree. That's so low. That's the hard thing with the straw.
With the straw, huh? I can see this going so wrong, bro. They just like Arrowhead or Crystal Geyser, man. Straight from the source. Get another sip. Hold on. Yeah. Nature, baby. Let me taste of nature.
That's good.
Not bad, right? Straight from the source.
That's a game changer.
Yeah. Yeah.
You will live.
We're at the top of the falls. It's lit.
What the hell? Yeah.
That's good?
Little sweet.
Damn. Let me get one of them.
That one's not. I think we gotta find the black one. That one's kind of good.
Try this shit. See what the hype is all about. All right, trailside berries, trial number 1. Yeah, it's legit.
Little breakfast.
It's a little tangy, a little tart.
Oh, there's nut. Look at these right here.
They say the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Not so much in this case. All right, currently 3.6 miles. We're at 85 minutes. We still got, what was that? 10 miles, 11 miles? 12 miles pretty much.
12, right?
Yeah, we got 12 miles. Let's go, man.
We just warming up.
Pretty much.
Warming up.
We got the switchbacks coming up. It's nice and like chill out here. It's not baking in the sun. The terrain is perfect. We mobbing.
Yeah, little did we know all that was about to change.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
We're on our way to Welles Peak. We're at we've climbed probably about 2,000 in elevation. So we got another 2 to go.
And what we gonna see? The abyss. For the sage. Anything for the sage.
I don't know if all these will be the right legs this fast.
I don't think so.
More, but
Some stretches though.
this is this is fun. This is first time without the kids, so I can kind of push myself a little bit faster, you know?
All right, we're halfway, 7 miles in. I'm soaked. My pants are soaked. My feet are soaked. Everything. But smiling, enjoying.
Hey,
It's a good life.
What more can we ask for? Damn, I'm drenched though.
Yeah, you just can't see it in my shirt. That whole jacket. Yep, my hat, backpack. It's all good though. Persevere.
All right, we on the Ken Burton Trail.
You know it's official. Gotta put the sticker. We was here. Sorry.
Keep it pushing, baby.
Sorry, fam. Right over the top. Yeah, let's get it.
Is it because the fog's moving, so it's like...
Yep.
The fog was playing some type of trick on us, giving us like a parallax effect. It was crazy.
Right at almost 8 miles. So far we've done 24 minute miles. And then when we hit up that little ascent and we were going up, that was about a 31-minute mile. And we've only taken like 2 breaks, one for the life straw and then one for the Cliff Bar. And then my shoes. But shit, man, we've been mobbing nonstop. Yeah, we went the wrong way. Set us back 2 miles. That's at least 40, close to 40 minutes wasted. Even if you got all trails going, if you ain't checking that shit, you're gonna be in some old random ravine, trekking back up the mountain that you came from.
So we finally got to where the Ken Burton loop started. We started getting up this steep incline, and it just started getting crazy, foggy. Couldn't see anything. You could barely see Mike in that clip.
We are in the thick of it. Goddamn.
Bro, I think I already got 13.
That scramble was ridiculous.
Up and I was just seeing each curve. I was like, oh, bro. That shit was killing me.
You fucking beasted that shit though. I was like, Mike, where the fuck? What route did you take? That shit is definitely not marked. What they say on all trails is correct.
That's how the trail is looking. If it looks like a trail. But conditions are... It's getting cold and foggy up here.
Literally, what even is this, yo?
Brown Mountain, baby. We made it. My boy Mike leading the charge.
This shit's up there. We're at the 4,000. We climbed up. We just climbed up fucking 4,000, bro.
We have 4,000 feet of elevation.
Straight climbed up.
It's cold.
Zero.
It's wet. You can't see. There's low visibility. Can't see nothing.
Can't see anything.
Yeah.
Can't even see 30 feet, maybe.
Somehow we making it, man.
Yo, all trails. I'd be lost. I'd be lost without it, for real.
For real,
Can't
for real.
see anything up here.
Man. It has like a notebook in it.
Check it out.
Adventures in no man's land. Oh, snap. Earth beneath your feet. The earth beneath your feet. Oh, nice.
416. What are we at?
Yeah, we officially on the map.
What about this one right here?
I left my mark.
Come on. This is fine.
We was here.
Made it to another peak. I don't know which one this is. We'll check it on the map. But still cold, still wet. But pushing through, man.
We keep pushing and we keep on climbing and reaching the peaks.
Yep. That's it. Nothing else to say. We just came down from there. You can't really tell, but that shit sucks. It's all rocky. And we gotta go that way.
You see me just peeking right there at the top? I was just inching my way down this mountain, man.
You can go that way. Tom Sloan, don't know who that is, but I don't fuck with none of these people, man. Ken Burton, I don't fuck with you neither. Mount Low Road, Mount Low Road 2, Dolomite, Sunset Ridge. All right, which way do we go?
This is us.
We almost out of here, 4 more miles.
You hit the Tom Sloan saddle.
That's it?
4,000.
Oh yeah,
Canyon.
that's where we want to go. Let's go, man.
Oh wait, Bear Canyon. That's us. 1.8. We got an hour.
Let's go.
We'll hit it in an hour. On our way to Bear Canyon, we got another 1.5 miles. Coming down the mountain, it was a challenge, but it looks like we're finally on some softer terrain. I know you're feeling better when you're filming again. Help it out, Brian.
That's cold plunge right there. Oh. The first little creature comfort in miles. This is the first seat we've taken in what, 5, 7 miles? This is like luxury right now.
It does feel good though.
Yeah. Picked up a little traveler trying to get to its destination. I get you home.
Was the best thing that could have happened?
Yeah, I think so. This,
Even though it took us a long way?
that sign, I'm gonna tell you, go this way. You can, but go this way.
If you go the way I went, you'll be going up that part that's circled. Other ways, you'll be going down.
Oh, the cars. We've made it to the cars. Last little tiny stretch, and we made it back. That was exhausting. It was challenging. It like fucked with your head, you know, like you had to really dig down deep and grit through it. You had to really just psych yourself out, man, and pretend like it wasn't crazy, but hey, man, we here. We see the cars now.
How you feel?
I'm about to fall, bro. I'm about to fall over. That's how I feel. But we still, job's not finished. Like Cove said,
How are we
man.
still walking?
Cove said, job's not finished.
How are we still walking, man? Fucking A.
Is the job done? No. We still got this little baby hike back. Oh, man. That's the fit check right here. Got the Nomadic on. Got the Kawas. The Sauconys. Got the Obey that saved my life. Ladybug home with me there. Found its new home from the forest to the city. It's a city bug now. What a journey. What a journey.